My dream job?
My dream job.
Oh, gosh.
I would love to be general manager of the Denver Broncos.
My dream job.
I like those director level positions, those executive level.
My dream job would be, I want to own a boat company.
I'd have to say a real estate developer.
To be the best female stuntman.
I want to make boats.
And like jump out of a plane or, you know.
It's kind of odd, but I have a vision that I'm going to be famous.
Do karate moves.
Actually, I'm kind of living that now.